Hey, what's up, guys? This is OC's Finest Garage, and next video we're going to be doing is the tweeter upgrade. Now, I'm not 100% sure if this tweeter upgrade actually upgrades the current tweeters or if there's no tweeters in it. So we're going to find out. Here's an unboxing of what the upgraded tweeters look like. Now, I haven't seen a YouTube video of these. These are the OEM Subaru upgrade. Now, later down the line, I'll be doing some actual tweeters later on. Some aftermarket, true aftermarket, but so that's what the tweeter looks like. Comes with some screws. I'm gonna assume you just screw them in like that. I'm gonna do the passenger side first because it looks a lot easier, and it's probably self-explanatory on how the other side would be. It just looks harder. But so we're gonna take a little tool here, and we're just gonna go. It's hard to do this with one hand. So yeah, you just get down deep in here, and it should just pop right out. But give me 1 second. I'm gonna do this with two hands. 1 second. Okay, I was able to get it out. As you can see, it does look a little bit different than this one. I think this one is a little bit bigger. Not by much, but it looks bigger. But yeah, all you have to do is basically just get a pry tool and pop it out. I really thought you had to take this off or something, but nope. So, I don't know if you can reuse these old screws or not. I mean, you probably could. I wouldn't see why you wouldn't, but I'm gonna get a screwdriver here and I'm gonna take these off and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, I got it out, and as you can see, they appear almost the same. Actually, I just checked the numbers, they are the same, but you can tell this is worn out. This is new, so I don't think it's going to make much of a difference, but I think this is more if you don't have a tweeter in there, then you put this in, but we'll see. Alright, so I got the new one in. Just plug and play, literally. So, not 100% sure if this is going to make a difference or not, but if it does, I'll let you know. If it doesn't, then, well, at least you know how to replace one.